Good morning children, welcome to today's class. In the last class we did division. Hope you have understood. You have repeated. Did you all do twice in your notes? Did you write the tables children? I am repeatedly telling you all to learn and write the tables. When you come to school again, I will be asking each individually to say the tables. Without seeing the tables you have to say. Now let me go for the another basic operation of arithmetic. You can see here there are 4 boxes. In the boxes you have 3 balls. How many balls are there totally? Yes, how much? What's the answer? It is 12. Correct. How did you get? By adding the number of balls. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. What is the other way of getting the total number of balls? Yes, anybody knows? Yes, correct. That is, how many balls are there? 3. How many boxes are there? 4. If you multiply, you will get again 12. So, what is the basic operation today we are going to learn? It is multiplication. Repeated process of adding the same numbers is done by multiplication. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Repeated addition here. So, repeated process of adding the same number is done by multiplication. You have learned from your primary to 7th standard how to multiply from single digit to double digit. But in this class, my intention is to give you the main concentration on multiplying of signs. You should not go wrong in that. Then multiplication will be very easy. For example, 23 into 2. Here 2 is called as multiplier. 23 is called as multiplicand. The result what you get, it is called as product. All this you know children. You are very good at maths. So with a single digit I will multiply 23 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So it is equal to 46. Underline the answer. With a double digit I will do. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 3, 4, 9 is equal to 943. Let us multiply with the 3 digits. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, 3, 8, 6, 9. You know to multiply. Now let us concentrate more on multiplying of signs, which you have learned. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. When you multiply the same signs, the product will be plus only. Minus into minus, again plus. But if they are different signs, the product, the answer you have to keep the sign is minus. For example, with the simple problems. 2 into 3. Both, if just written the number, then it is understood only plus is there. 2 3s are, first you have to always remember multiply the sign. Plus into plus, plus. 2 3s are 6, therefore no need of writing plus. If you write just 6, it is understood it is plus. Minus 2 into minus 3. What did I say? First multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus. 2 3s are 6. Then you have to multiply the numbers. Minus 2 into 3. You see here different signs. 3 is having plus sign and 2 is having minus sign. Minus into plus is minus. Then multiply the number. 2 3s are 6. 2 into minus 3. Again 2 is having what sign? Plus. Good. Plus into minus. minus. 2 3s are 6. I'll multiply, I'll take 3 numbers now. 2 into minus 3 into 4. This is equal to, you have to multiply, remember multiply the signs. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Underline the answer. Minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. Children, what I told you, you have to first multiply the signs. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. 3 4s are 12. 12 5s are 60. In this way also you can do. Or you can multiply first two numbers, then multiply with the third number. How it is? See here, minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. This is equal to minus into minus plus. 3 4s are 12 into, what is the third number? Minus 5. Again plus into minus, minus. 12 5s are 60. You can see here, both the ways are correct. This is directly you will do. Here you take 2 first and then multiply with the third one. See, 4 into 6 into minus 5. So which method you find easy? Multiply all or first two. If you take first two, this is equal to 4 6 are 24. Plus into plus is plus into minus 5. Plus into minus, that is minus. 5 4s are 22. 5 2s are 10 plus 12, 1 minus 120. The basic concept in maths, whatever, the basic thing you have to understand is always you have to underline the answer. And for mathematics, equals are necessary. They have relation between the first step and the second step to show. Always you have to put the equals, children. Without equals, if you write the answer, I will not give any marks. I am telling you all, there should be equals, which shows there is a relation between all the steps. Got it? You have to repeat all the problems. How many times? 2 times. And then let us prepare for the next class. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.